A bright new morning! Hey!
Look at this!
Garbage truck is collecting trash!
Let's go!
Garbage truck.
It's amazing!
Hey! Mixer truck is listening to music and driving too fast without paying attention.
Oh, nice! Nice!
Woo!
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Oh no! It crashes into garbage truck. Trash spills everywhere.
Oh my god!
Tractor.
Tractor calls the construction team.
Garbage trucks.
Let's go! Wow, it's a nice slide!
Crane truck.
Amazing!
Flatbed truck.
Hey!
It's my time!
Dump truck.
Good job! Let's go! What is this? Okay. It's my time!
Crane truck lifts mixer truck onto a trailer and then lifts garbage truck too.
Okay. Let's go! Good job!
Off to the repair shop.
Let's go! It's my time!
Sweeper truck sprays water and cleans the road until it shines.
Good job!
Dump truck
Let's
places
go.
safety barriers so accidents won't happen again.
Amazing! I got it! It's a disappear! Okay.
Time to repair.
What's next?
Hey! They remove broken parts.
Here. Good job. I got it. I like it.
Pull the dents flat.
It's so nice. Look at this.
And install new pieces.
Nice. Okay. Very nice. What is this?
Hey!
Okay. Good job.
Both trucks are fixed.
So sorry.
Okay.
Mixer truck understands its mistake.
Wow. It's a
With safety barriers in place, the road is much safer now.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys! If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye! See you next time!